Today we have the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 27,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access our energy management, vehicle settings and AC, navigation, radio, charging and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.